Alright, we're going to change the battery in the smoke detector up there. We're going to start with a new battery, and let's go up the ladder. Okay, here's actually the carbon dioxide alarm that we're going to replace the battery in. So, first things first, let's take the old one out. See, there's a little door on the side here that opens up. So I'm going to try to unscrew it. We're just going to open up the little door. There we go. So push the little latch, open the door, and there's the battery. I'm going to pay attention to which way around it is so we can put the new one in the same way. So we see the big flat is towards the door. So the big flat part of the battery, or with the kind of, I guess the female part if you like, was towards the flap. So this is the old battery. We're done with it. Throw that on the floor. Here's the new battery, and there it is. There's the flap. I mean the female connector, same position towards the flap. Push it in, like so. Close up the door, and there it is. We'll press the test. I think we're done. Back down the ladder.